distinguished sons and daughters of Anioma Nation, fellow Nigerians, we the concerned citizens of Anioma have gathered here today to express our deep concern over the dangerous state of democracy in Delta State and the continued manipulation of political process against the wishes of the people. Democracy is built on fairness, transparency, and the free choice of citizens. Unfortunately, what we witnessed during the APC senatorial primary process in Delta State has resulted in concerns among party members, stakeholders, and the people of Anioma. We strongly condemn the alleged manipulation of APC senatorial primary elections process by Ifeanyi Okowa. It is the belief of many concerned citizens that the process did not reflect the genuine will of the party members and the people. There are widespread allegations that political talks and intimidation were used to influence the outcome and forcefully declared Okowa as the winner against the wishes of the many people. Do we accept that? No. Do we accept that? No. Politics must never become an avenue for fear, violence, intimidation, and the suppression of the people's voice. It is also deeply concerning that Senator Ifeanyi Okowa, whose roles politically through the platform of the People's Democratic Party is viewed by many as maintaining strong political ties with former allies.
Exactly.
While attempting to influence another political platform for personal advantage.
Exactly.
Furthermore, corruption, allegation, and investigation involving Senator Okowa by the EFCC remains matters of public concern.
Exactly. We want justice.
We therefore call on EFCC to continue its investigation thoroughly and without political interference. No democracy can survive where individuals facing serious allegations continue to manipulate political structures, where the people suffer.
No way!
While this political discussion continues, Senator Ned Nwoko has remained committed to the welfare of the masses and development of Anioma people with Senator Ned, because the future of Anioma must be built on justice, transparency, accountability, and the true will of the people must stand out. Now, we therefore call on the All Progressive Congress to investigate the complaints concerns surrounding the APC senatorial election in Delta State. Please, we need fair election. We demand that the election should be void. We demand that the election should be what now? Null and void. And the fresh election should be what? Conducted.
Like,